Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni paidbah subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kublay fi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Imat ka election MP sa Lok Sabha arajar abusaw kalong kabajuat baha. Bantip mano banla mano banjok bat mano banra ya katong. Hakirin kesan yelap election ki kertong ki bak hampau baha kalong uba. Vincent Eshpala nakasyang kongres uba Robert Jun Khajarin RDA ka HSPDP bat ka UDP ka Dr. Amperin M. Lingdo na ka NPP bat u Dr. AJ Ricky Singkon na ka VPP.
Ngamday ka kamsay na kasimrang ngaday ka MNA jong pi ngaday ka nong yalang jong pi klap ya ka cinglong kamsay na simrang jonga. Rengan tray sitam ngan paniya pi mangan tray kamba banyo nuno rang ba abo pi pasti. Day ka ta cinglong kamsay. Jid yang naman ngaday ka nong yalang kalap kabala pag-inog saya pi ya ka cingla jonga tray ka ka.
Ivan Bor panila eleksyon nama ladam-dam no bintang mengikuti telakot kyo. Ari mentah pa tolong kei kebala kampung ya kebang ni hap pan ya keli daladi. Coba pak jong kerja keri buat jalan ni kita. Ni hap pan keli. Kei kebang ni lale kebang penlok. Yang ni kebang long. Because the government of Meghalaya has violated the very right of an individual belong to the teachers community.
Ubay umatungkay lupay kinagaramba naging Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon di nagariga dongbatay pinay ka juba probesay wat pensyap igido gibuan banrong banpurong bagaminsin slow down slow time nilang ko iga jabru u Dr. Ricky uday ukasi mano banabo uday ukasi.
They have to sell it now, otherwise nobody will bother about them. So be it NPP, be it UDP, I think it's all the same. Whatever the money they have to buy the people to shout, they have to buy the people to, to campaign. So I think on second will be the real results. Whether people want to be looted or whether people want to be governed with a clean and a better governance. The coal banning is not by the government. If the government promised to leave the coal banning, I think that is wrong. The ban of the coal mining is done by the court.